Welcome back to English Conversation Hub. In today's video, you'll listen in on a realistic office chat between two colleagues, Alex and Steve, as they discuss work-life balance and the challenges of remote work. This conversation is packed with natural expressions, workplace vocabulary, and practical tips that you can use in your own English conversations. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive into this engaging dialogue.
Hey Steve, did you get a chance to relax this weekend? Yeah, I actually did. Took the kids out for a movie and tried not to check my phone every 5 minutes. You? Pretty much the same. I went hiking on Sunday. It felt good to get away from screens for a while. But Monday morning comes around and it's back to the grind. Tell me about it. Sometimes I feel like the emails just multiply over the weekend. I logged in this morning and had 20 unread messages waiting. It's crazy, isn't it? Ever since we started this hybrid work setup, I feel like I'm always, sort of, working, even when I'm supposed to be off. Exactly. There's no real boundary anymore. I mean, I love the flexibility, but sometimes I miss the clear separation of coming into the office and then leaving everything behind at 6. That's true. At home, I catch myself replying to messages even after dinner. It's like work is always lurking in the background. Have you tried setting any boundaries? Like, turning off notifications or blocking off time for yourself? I tried, but it's tough. Especially with the US team, someone always needs something late in the evening. Yeah, the time zones make it tricky. I started putting my phone on Do Not Disturb after 7 p.m. At first, I felt guilty, but now I realize it's necessary. That's a good idea. I should try that. I guess it's about communicating your schedule to the team so they know when you're offline. Exactly. I even put my offline hours in my email signature. Most people are pretty understanding, as long as they know when to expect a reply. That's smart. You know what else has changed? The number of meetings. I feel like I'm in back-to-back calls all day. Oh, absolutely. Sometimes I wonder when I'm supposed to get actual work done. I started blocking out focus time on my calendar, and it helps a bit. I've heard of that. Does it actually work? It does, if you stick to it and don't let people book over it. I had to get a bit strict about it, but it's made a difference. Maybe I'll give it a shot. I've been struggling to finish my reports on time because of all the interruptions. It's worth trying. Also, don't forget to take real breaks. I used to feel guilty stepping away from my desk at home, but now I make it a point to go for a short walk after lunch. That's a good habit. I think I'll start doing that. Sometimes just getting some fresh air clears my head. Absolutely. And honestly, no one can be productive for 8 hours straight. Breaks actually help you get more done. Agreed. I think we need to normalize taking breaks and logging off on time. Otherwise, burnout is just around the corner. You're right. Some teams are doing no meeting Fridays or wellness hours. Maybe we could suggest something like that for our group. That's a great idea. I think everyone would appreciate it. Plus, it shows that we care about each other's well-being. Speaking of well-being, did you see the email from HR about the new wellness program? Yeah, I saw that. They're offering yoga sessions and mental health webinars, right? Exactly. I'm thinking of joining the yoga class. My back could use some stretching after all this time at the desk. Same here. I tried one of the meditation sessions last week. It was surprisingly relaxing. Maybe we could join one together during lunch. That sounds good. Let's do it. Maybe we can get a few others to join as well. Definitely. By the way, are you playing in the office football match next weekend? Of course. I need to redeem myself after that last game. Don't worry, you're not the only one. It'll be fun to see everyone outside of work for a change. Yeah, these little things make a big difference. Reminds me that work isn't everything. Exactly. So, what's on your plate today? A couple of project meetings and then some time blocked off to finish the quarterly report. Hoping to wrap up by 6 and actually enjoy the evening for once. Sounds like a plan. Let's hold each other accountable, no emails after 7 tonight. Deal. And let's catch up for that yoga session during lunch. You got it. Here's to better work-life balance. Cheers to that, Alex. Have a good one. You too, Steve.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.